Picture yourself standing on an ancient windswept plain. A mysterious monument rises before you, shrouded in the mists of time. In the heart of the English countryside, nestled among rolling hills and ancient landscapes, lies a timeless enigma that has captivated the imagination of countless generations. Its name echoes through the ages, whispered with reverence and awe. Welcome to the enigma known as Stonehenge. In this captivating journey, we will delve into the depths of history and unlock the secrets of one of the world's most extraordinary structures. Buckle up, as we embark on a fascinating exploration of Stonehenge. Welcome back, fellow adventurers, to our channel dedicated to unraveling the most captivating mysteries of our world. Please like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. Stonehenge, located in Wiltshire, England, is a colossal ring of standing stones, a true marvel of human achievement. This enigmatic monument has captured the imagination of countless generations. For over 4,000 years, it has stood as a silent witness to the passage of time, captivating the imagination of countless generations and immersing everyone in its sacred aura. From the moment Stonehenge came into existence, its origins have remained shrouded in mystery. Who built it? Why? The questions persist, beckoning us to uncover the truth. Our story begins in the Neolithic era, around 3000 BC. Imagine a bustling community of ancient peoples, driven by an insatiable desire to create something monumental. With awe-inspiring precision, they quarried, transported, and raised these massive stones, weighing up to 25 tons each. But what drove these people to create Stonehenge? That's the million-dollar question. Some theories suggest it was an astronomical observatory, tracking celestial events with astonishing accuracy. Others believe it was a sacred burial ground, honoring their ancestors and gods. Perhaps it served as a place of worship, a temple where rituals and ceremonies unfolded. Another theory is that this ancient marvel was meticulously designed to align with celestial phenomena, marking solstices, equinoxes, and other celestial events. Was this ancient marvel used to explore the significance of these celestial alignments, or were the celestial secrets woven into the very fabric of Stonehenge? No matter the purpose, the construction of Stonehenge required immense ingenuity. Looking at the marvelous structure, one can only stand in awe of the engineering genius behind Stonehenge. How were these colossal stones transported and meticulously arranged? The stones were transported from quarries located over 200 miles away. Can you imagine the sheer determination it took to drag them across rugged terrains and mighty rivers? The ingenious methods and tools used by the ancient builders? Looking at Stonehenge, we can definitely say, it truly is a testament to the determination, skill and ingenuity of these ancient architects that defied the limitations of time and technology. Stonehenge has endured the test of time, serving as a witness to the ebb and flow of human civilization. From ancient rituals and ceremonies to its role as a pilgrimage site, Stonehenge has sparked the curiosity of many conspiracy theorists. But the true marvel lies in the alignment of these stones. A perfect orchestration of the solstices and equinoxes, Stonehenge acts as a celestial clock, capturing the rhythms of the universe. As the sun rises on the summer solstice, its rays perfectly align with the stones, casting an ethereal glow that must have left our ancestors in awe. Today, Stonehenge stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting curious minds from across the globe. Visitors can walk in the footsteps of ancient civilizations, tracing the path of history with every step. Stonehenge is not just an architectural wonder, but a portal to the past. It's a place where we can reconnect with our roots and gain a deeper understanding of the people who came before us. Thanks to modern technology, scientists and archaeologists continue to unravel the mysteries of Stonehenge. Recent discoveries have shed new light on its construction methods, its purpose, and its significance to ancient cultures. As the sun sets over Stonehenge, casting its last rays of light on the ancient stones, we can't help but feel a profound sense of wonder. Stonehenge remains an enigma, a timeless masterpiece that invites us to contemplate the achievements and mysteries of our human story. As Carl Sagan once said, "We are a way for the cosmos to know itself." Stonehenge stands as a testament to that eternal truth. Thanks for watching. Join us next time as we continue our journey through history's most captivating wonders. Until then, keep exploring and embracing the mysteries that lie before us.